Wow, we're so blessed to
Okay.
have these two legends on stage.
Oh, stop.
Shut up.
You're the legend.
Hey, okay, we know one more song. That's it.
So no hana ho.
Okay, girls, find a spot. Come on.
So this is a beautiful love song written by Kiope Raymond and music put together by Robert Casimiro, or Kumu, and recorded by the brothers Casimiro. It's one of our favorites, and we hope you enjoy it as much as we do. E hanei pu'uwai, e ʻIlolialoha, e aloha maha'ole, e
Aloha, e hali ha a a a i ai mua.